author Annie Dillard once said, "How we spend our days is, of course, how we spend our lives." What this means is that since most of us spend a lot of our life working, it adds up to a whopping 90,000 hours over our entire life.
No one should put this many hours into work. This is not good. And people should not work this hard. They should not do this. It's very painful.
Working hard is always painful, but how to do more while spending less time? If you're spending many hours in the office, studying, or doing any side hustle, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you 4 AI productivity tools that can save you half of your time. I'll show you the right method and pro tips to boost your productivity. And if you're attending Zoom meetings or online classes, the last one is really important for you, so make sure to watch till the end. And let me know your favorite one in the comments. Number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot, and it now has 3 different versions: Legacy, ChatGPT 3.5, Default, ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4. This involved a massive 570 gigabytes of information collected from books, internet articles, web content, Wikipedia, and other written sources. To be more precise, the system was trained with a staggering 300 billion words. ChatGPT is a tool that helps generate ideas, making it an invaluable asset for content creators and writers. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can assist you in brainstorming and coming up with creative concepts for your projects. Whether you're struggling with writer's block or simply looking for fresh ideas, ChatGPT can provide the inspiration you need. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in conversational interactions. This means that you can have a dialogue with the AI, asking questions and receiving thoughtful responses. By leveraging ChatGPT's conversational abilities, you can explore different angles, perspectives, and approaches to your work, ultimately enhancing the quality of your output. In addition to generating ideas, ChatGPT can also assist in refining existing content. You can use it to help structure your articles, identify areas for improvement, and even generate outlines or summaries. With ChatGPT by your side, the possibilities are endless, and the creative process becomes much more efficient and enjoyable. For example, here I'm going to ask ChatGPT if it can give me rules of productivity, and let's see what it'll give us. It gave me some hacks instead to maximize productivity, like setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, etc. Let's ask it to add some scientific studies or research for each. And this is crazy. It gave the results with names of researchers and theory inventors. Now let's just check this one on Google. Here are the results. That's insane. This first article explains really well to the Eisenhower matrix. Now I'm going to add another prompt to ask ChatGPT to add DIO for each of this research. DIO is basically a digital object identifier, and it looks like this. Now see what ChatGPT gives us. It didn't work, and it said, "I do not have the capability to provide DOI links to specific research studies." In this case, it can't be 100% legit. It can help you, but it's not to fully replace the human effort. It gives the response based on your previous information. So to use this effectively, you'll have to do some experiments and have some understanding of prompts, but always do your research and confirm these things from Google. Number 2, WriteSonic. WriteSonic is another powerful AI productivity tool that can revolutionize your writing process. By harnessing the power of AI, WriteSonic enables you to effortlessly craft articles or assignments with ease. Whether you're a student, a freelance writer, or a professional, WriteSonic can help you generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time. The secret behind WriteSonic's effectiveness lies in its ability to understand context and generate human-like text. By analyzing vast amounts of data, WriteSonic can mimic the style and tone of professional writers, ensuring that your content is not only informative, but also engaging and compelling. To use WriteSonic, simply input your desired topic or prompt and let the AI do the rest. It will generate a well-structured piece of writing that you can then refine and customize to fit your needs. With WriteSonic, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a seamless writing process. Here, I'm going to try some magic of WriteSonic. It has many templates that can give you great content effortlessly. I'm going to write an article by clicking on Article and Blog. Here are many more templates, and I'm going with a 1,500-word article. Here I added a prompt to write an article on the benefits of a low-carb diet. And here are the results. It did an amazing job. It added many headings and details on each. I'd recommend doing some experiments on it. Maybe you'll have to add some human touch for more creativity, but still right, Sonic can wonderful job and much of your time. Number 3. Notion, AI Notion. AI takes the already powerful Notion platform to new heights by introducing artificial intelligence capabilities. With Notion AI, you can automate repetitive tasks, extract meaningful insights from your data, and even receive intelligent suggestions to enhance your productivity. For example, here I'm going to create 30-day content, and this AI feature will activate by pressing space. Now let's just ask it to create 30 days LinkedIn post titles for the content writing niche. It generated great ideas. Let's try to create posts too. Here we go. But I'm not much satisfied with this outcome. Anyways, for ideas, it was great. One of the key features of Notion AI is its ability to analyze your data and generate actionable insights. For example, if you have a database of customer feedback, Notion AI can analyze the data and identify trends or patterns that can help you make informed business decisions. By leveraging the power of AI, you can save time and make data-driven choices with confidence. Notion AI also allows you to automate routine tasks through the use of templates and workflows. For instance, you can create a template for common project management tasks and automate the creation of new projects with a single click. This automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring that your work is consistently high quality. Number 4. Grain AI. Grain is an AI-powered tool that enables you to summarize recorded Zoom meetings and highlight key takeaways. With the rise of remote work and virtual meetings, keeping track of important information can be challenging. Grain solves this problem by providing a simple and efficient way to capture and share key moments from your meetings or online classes. Using Grain is easy. Simply connect your Zoom account and start recording your meetings as you normally would. Grain will then analyze the meeting recording and generate a transcript, making it easy to search for specific moments or discussions. This feature is particularly useful for revisiting important decisions or referring back to specific points of discussion. In addition to transcripts, Grain also allows you to highlight key moments in your meeting recordings. This feature is perfect for creating summaries or recaps of your meetings, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that important information is not lost in the sea of conversation. AI productivity tools like ChatGPT, WriteSonic, Notion, and Grain have the potential to revolutionize the way we work and boost our overall productivity. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a professional, these AI productivity tools can help streamline your tasks, enhance your creativity, and improve collaboration. This is how you can take your productivity to the next level. If you're interested in learning more about productivity hacks, check out this video and subscribe to the channel for more.